Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. And today I am just so excited because I have recently just hit 50 subscribers, and that might not be a lot. You know, other YouTubers I see have like over 1 million subscribers, but at least for me, it's been a great journey and I feel so happy. And I'm just so happy and so grateful to all of you out there who watch my videos, who have subscribed and all that stuff. But moving on from that, I got an order from Bhavye today. And I have got my paper play button. Oh, 1 second. Have to do something. Yeah, I'm just gonna pack it up. Yeah. Here we go. This is the box, and I'm gonna open it up. Here we have it, guys. The paper play button is here. Look at it. Wow. This is amazing. It is so amazing to get this paper play button. And it's going to be so amazing. Okay guys, to get started, you are going to need a red piece of paper. So this is red paper, but the only thing is, it's actually printed. Unfortunately, I did not have any red paper, so I had to print it. But yeah, you can just do that. And you're going to need a piece of white paper. And with that, you're going to need some Fevicol, a brush, eraser, pencil, scale, and okay. Now you want to take your scale and you want to draw a line 22 centimeters. So 0, okay. Now what you want to do is, from 0, you want to mark out 9 centimeters. So here, from 9 you want to mark out 2 centimeters, which is 11. From 11 you want to mark out another 9, 20. Now, you want to go back out 6 centimeters. Mark it there. And same thing for this. And then you want to draw a line between them. So 6, and then just draw. So you should have this rectangular shape. Then you want to mark lines wherever you mark. So 1 at 9 centimeter, 1 at 11 centimeters, 1 at 20, and the 22 is already done. Then what you want to do is this. So you got a small rectangle over here. What you want to do with that rectangle is go out 2 centimeters like that, and then 2 centimeters out over there, and same on this side. 2 centimeters, and then just connect it. Now this is the shape you have, and from this shape you want to make this kind of a structure. So towards one side you want to go like that, and over here, over here, over here, over here on the top, and one over here, one over here, and yeah. after you've cut it, just keep it aside. And we're now going to be working on this white thing over here. You want to take a sheet of white paper and you're going to go up 3 centimeters. That, mark the center and go out another 3. And then you just want to kind of connect it like that. Okay? Now you don't have to be perfect, but you can make it somewhat perfect. Keep this away with some glue and bring back the red one. Now actually, just forget the glue. You want to fold the areas where you've drawn the line. So for example this, then that, and just fold. Now once you fold it, it'll be somewhat like this. So you can just make it into a cuboid. But then you're gonna bring in your glue, have your brush, and these areas, these small areas, you want to spread it out. That. You can have some glue here, maybe some over here. Okay, and then just stick this like that, so bend it and just stick it like that. Okay, take this side here. Now, take this, turn it around, and you stick it right there. So, some glue, and just in the center, and you're done. That is your paper play button. Go ahead, congratulate yourself. Guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. I showed you and I fakely unboxed the paper play button because of reaching 50 subscribers. And again, thank you to all those of you who subscribe and watch my videos. But that was going to be it for today, and hopefully I've got 2 more 50 subscribers special videos coming up. One Minecraft and one is a montage, so make sure to check those out if they come. But yeah, that was going to do it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe and comment down below how many subscribers you have if you do have a YouTube channel. And also smash that like button. Do it now. I know. For the first time I'm saying smash that like button, so do it now. You just do it now and share it with your friends, family, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.